Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of this American rally thing. We've been downtown hall and it's even down there. I've got like the Spanish army and all the army vehicles. I've got some Harleys going in there. I've just quickly set up in hope I could catch some Mustangs rolling in, but typical I missed them. But I'm fully kitted out now, got me hat, got me gear on, got some more bohos. Just gonna see what we can capture really. Of course, now I've set up, nothing's gonna come, is it? Tour bus though, tour bus is coming. There you go. Not really American though, is it? Brilliant down there. I've just paid up €15 I think it was for cowboy hat and some more bohos. Whereas like the ones I've got on, I think we paid about €40 for them. I think I might end this one, head off somewhere, then if I hear the 3-8 quickly set up. See you in a minute, guys.